before I put my mascara on, I have this Dior Lashes Primer. Just light. I don't know why there's always primer. I didn't know before. Okay, now it's time for my mascara, the real mascara. So this one is really high volume. This is from Pat McGrath. I just do like that. Oh, you can see now. Like, but I just gonna swipe it a little bit. Follow up with this one. This kind of I like this one. This separate my lashes and give a little bit volume. I don't like big lashes because I don't know how to put it on. How you think? It looks okay? It's enough, right? What do you guys think? Comment below.